This is a Lego airboat. It's probably the fastest Lego boat I've ever made. Now you might be wondering, how does it work? Well, unlike a normal boat, the propeller's not in the water and is driven by the thrust produced by the fan. The propeller is driven by the fast output of a BuWizz motor geared up 1 to 3. With the BuWizz on ludicrous mode, the propeller can spin at speeds up to 6,000 RPM. Anyway, enough talk. As I was driving around, I noticed that it was starting to sit a bit crooked, and it appears to have taken on a bit of water. How much water did it take on? Just a little bit. Oh, and if you have any ideas what sort of boat I should make next, let me know in the comments down below. Anyway guys, that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.